Hi guys, this is Ahmad and welcome to my Workbench channel. If you have a 3D model like this 3D model, as you can see here, one side of my 3D model is completely dark and nothing is visible. So if you have a shading or darkness problem in your 3D model, just follow me in this short video tutorial. Today I want to enhance the texture file of this 3D model. As you can see here, these parts of the texture is completely dark. So the easiest way for enhancing this texture file is going to the editing mode, photo editing mode, and in photo editing mode go to adjustments and just increase the shadow. As you can see here in this side, you can easily see the difference between the increase and decreasing the shadow. And also you can decrease the contrast to have a better, more visible and clear texture. You can save it and close it, and then you can evaluate your 3D model again. As you can see here, the quality improved a lot. So if this is not enough for you and you also want to increase the image quality and also the shadow, or you want to reduce the shadow or darkness of this side, you can use some commercial software. I usually use Adobe Bridge, and in the Adobe Bridge just go to Camera Raw unit, and the same process you should do in this image. Let me zoom more here to see the difference by increasing the shadow. As you can see here, when I increase the shadow here, we have more clear and bright image. And also we have some other options. I can increase the clarity, and also I can increase the texture and decrease the contrast like this. Okay, down. Let's export or enhanced texture, and then my edited texture is here. Just you need to copy this MTL and OBJ file in this destination, and then note that you should copy the exact name of the original texture with its format. As you can see here, the format is JPG, not JPEG, just the JPG. Copy. As you can see here, the exported file from Adobe Bridge is JPEG, so I should change it. Just click and rename and replace the original name and down. Yeah. Now let's go to see our 3D enhanced textured model. As you can see here, now you can easily see the fractures and joints in this side of this 3D rock outcrop model. Okay, if you don't have access to this kind of commercial color editing software, you also can use your smartphones or free applications instead of application of Adobe Bridge to increase or enhance the color quality. Sorry, I forgot to say how we can enhance the color quality. Again, let's go to the Camera Raw editing mode, and here I can also increase the saturation. As you can see here, now the watercolor is more blue, and also the vegetation here is more green, and I have more color setting here. That's it. Okay, let's decrease it, it's too much, and increase this one. Okay, down, and export again. Okay, just let's copy the name of the previous texture and replace the name of the new picture. Down. let's see our beautiful enhanced color 3D model. Wow. If you enjoy this tutorial, please press the thumb up button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your watching.